Hindi ya kuhingurwo kwa mathomo ma maabithaa ugiteri wa mihaka-ini muthenya wa umuthi itemi-ini ria kugacirithia ugiteri guku bururi-ini Raymond omollo ugite ati thirikari ni gathikite mitaratara mirumu niguo gutigirira ati bururi wa Kenya ni wagea na ugiteri muiganu kuri andu aria othe mariumaga nja wa bururi urundu umwe na aria mariingiraga guku bururi-ini.
We have just launched a curriculum on border control and security program, which has been put together by the Border Management Secretariat as well as the Kenya School of Government.
Raymond ugite ati bururi wa Kenya ni bururi wa thayo na thengia wa President William Ruto guteaniirio uhuthiri wa visa kuri andu aria mariceraga guku bururi-ini. Andu acio ni marithorimagwo mihaka-ini niguo gutigirira Kenya mari na ugiteri.
Significantly, the President did declare that Kenya is a visa-free country. We expect that everyone or everybody who is coming into the country gets in visa-free. Of course, there would be issues around security to deal with that, and part of this curriculum is to better equip our officers, not just in terms of knowing how to deal with those threats, but also to be able to facilitate those movements so that it's much more efficient, and beyond facilitating movement of people, we are also able to facilitate trade.
Mathomo macio maheanitwo kuri maabithaa ugiteri wa mihaka-ini ni mekumateithiriria hari gutigirira ati ni marithorimaga andu aria othe mariukaga guku bururi-ini na andu aria mariumaga nja wa bururi urundu umwe na indo iria irithiaga nja wa bururi ni cirikoragwo na thayo na ikinyanitie ikiro.
But also ensuring that people who move, you strike a balance between facilitation and control. People who move in a more safe, secure, responsible manner. And also facilitate the movement of bona fide travelers, and that's what we are seeing today. Government putting together a curriculum on border management so that the frontliners are actually well equipped, they are trained, they have the right skills, the right knowledge, and how to actually fast track the processing of people who are moving across the borders.
Ona gukiri uguo Raymond ugite ati ugiteri ni ugacirithitio makiria mahinda-ini maya ma Kirithimathi na kuria oritie akenya gukorwo na wigiririki makiria ona barabara-ini magithie thiguku.
So we are already in the festive season, and we have previously communicated, I think the latest communication came out last week, that we have adequate security preparedness and arrangements to be able to keep the country secure. Of course, we call on the public to be cautious, particularly with the expected high traffic on the roads as people move from one point to the next. But the assurance we are giving the country is that we have the necessary deployment of our police officers and all the other security agencies to keep the country safe.
Handu-ini ha Muthingi TV, nie njitagwo Ng'endo wa Njogu.